Today we're out in the field again. I promised you to get some new ND filters for my Neo 2. I finally got them. I'm going to try to fly with and without the ND filters and the settings on the drone. What the change actually will be in the quality of the film you will make. Here's a side-by-side comparison. On the left, I'm using an ND filter with tuned settings. On the right, it's straight out of the camera with no filter. Across the shots, the difference in color and sharpness really stands out. After bringing the drone back again, I adjusted the setting to match the ND filter. I lowered the shutter speed to create more natural motion blur and kept the ISO as low as possible to maintain image quality. This helps to get a more cinematic look, especially during movement. I actually had some trouble putting the filters on while the drone was turned off. In the end, I left it powered on and that made it a lot easier. This is a cruise control shot with the ND filter. Notice how smooth the motion looks. That was quite interesting. I managed to fly with and without the filters. Putting the filters on the drone was a little bit difficult, so no clue if I did do something wrong, but when the drone was powered off and I added it, yeah, it was a little bit difficult to get the gimbal right, but yeah, when it's on and you put it on, it works perfectly. So yeah, let's try it the next time if it's going a little bit smoother than this. I see the drone is flying through the trees now. Let's see if the next time it goes a little bit smoother. And probably I used the wrong filter for now, but in the video editing part I will correct this. So thanks for now, and see you in the next video.